Welcome to another video lecture series on VLSI and chip design. I am Dr. Vinod, Assistant Professor. In this video, we are going to discuss about operator which is used in Verilog HDL. There are nearly 10 operators which are used in the Verilog. So what the operator symbols, the operator which uses the symbols to perform operations on a variable and signals. The first operator is arithmetical operator. So the first one is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So you know the application of arithmetical operator, right? It is used in the mathematical operations. So this percentage like symbol is nothing but a modulus. So it will give the output as a remainder. Okay, suppose if 4 modulus of 2 is answer is 0, right? So the next one is relational operators. So it gives a relation between the two numbers, right? So the first one is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, lesser than, and equal to, two equal to symbol, and not equal to. So if I compare the two values, and it will result whether if it is true means it will give the answer as 1, and if it is false means it will give the answer as 0. So this is about relation operator. So you can see that this equal to symbol is used in the equality operator. So equal to and not equal. And the third one is replication operator. And here it repeats the replication operator. It repeats the values over multiple time. So suppose if I consider assign y is equal to open braces 4, open braces 1, apostrophe B1. Okay, so this is one B represent 1 bit value on that 1 bit number, and that value is 1. So 4 of 1 B1 is, so you have to repeat the 1 for 4 times. So answer is y is equal to 4 ones. And the next operator is concatenation operator. So it combines multiple signal, and the operators open braces and close braces. So if assign y is equal to this concatenation operator a comma b and semicolon, and if the input a value we are given at 4 ones and b is equal to 0 1 0 1 means so you have to write the first a value 4 ones, then you have to write the b value 0 1 0 1. So this is my y value. So you can see the a is 4 bit and b is 4 bit, and the answer y is 8 bit. And the fifth operator is conditional operator, or I can call it as a ternary operator. So you have a syntax for this conditional operator. So if the condition is true, so if it is true, the expression 1 will be executed. Okay, colon, and expression 2. If it is false means expression 2 will be executed. So this is how the syntax will be. So the example is y is equal to a greater than b, question mark. So expression 1 is a and expression 2 is b, semicolon. So if suppose a is 1 0 and b is 0 1, you can see the a value is greater. So if a value is greater, that means y is equal to a, right? Since this is 2, so the y value becomes a. So if suppose if it is not true means it becomes the y becomes b, right? So order tells if this condition is true, y value is a. If it is false, means then b. Okay, so it has to be also in the nested form. I can write the equation, so you can also refer that one also. Next one is shift operator. Okay, so it's like it is used to shift the bit either in the left or right direction. So it will shift multiple times, right? So this is greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So this will shift right, and this will shift my variable to left. So if y is equal to a greater than 2, like the symbol. So only if a value is 1001, so you have to shift it towards right by 2 bits. So y becomes, if I shift the bit by 2 bits, means so you can see 0 1, right? 0 1 will come, then the rest of the bit will be 0 0, and it is not rotating, so the answer will be 0 0 1 0. So the next one is a bitwise operator. So it will perform the operation bitwise. Okay, so and XR, okay, and this symbol for R, okay, so and this is symbol for not. Okay, so if it is not plus XR, means it becomes X not. So you can also represent in this way also. So if A is equal to 0 1 0 1 and B is 1 1 0 1, so it will perform the AND operation, right? So if all the bits are 1 1, the answer will be 1, otherwise it will goes to 0, right? So this is how it will work. So you can see my answer is 0 1 0 1. This is what I will get. And the next operator is a logical operator. So double and symbol, not gate, and this present not of and is NAND gate, right? And so your NAND gate it is not there available. So this is a OR gate. So if A and B, right? So here A is 1010, B is 1011. So the Y is equal to 0, right? Here there is no logical XOR, XNOR, NAND, and NOR is available. So if A is A and B, and A value is 5 and B value is 2, so both are not same. So the output is 0. Right? So if both are same, means that is, I can write the NAND gate as if not of A and B. So now the answer of output is equal to 1. Okay, so the next operator is equality operator. This we have already discussed in the relation operators, that is equal to, that is a logical equality, and not of equal to is a logical inequality. Then you have triple equal to, that is case equality, and not of double equal to, that is case inequality. So let us discuss one problem. If A is equal to B, and A value is 4-bit binary value, that is 0 1 0 1, and B bit also 4-bit binary value 1 0 1 0. So here both are not equal. So if not equal, So the else will be executed, right? So if out is equal to 0, else out is equal to 1. So you know the answer anyway, which is to is not equal to 1. Not same. So the output is equal to 1. This is for logical equality. Suppose if it is not equal to B, I have given, so the output will be out is equal to 0, I will get. Right. So suppose if I'm giving the input A is equal to 4 of binary 0x01 and B is equal to 4-bit binary number as this is an example which we are giving in the input, right? So 01 is at 1. So here you can see this logical equality and innumerable equality will not work. So therefore we are going for the case equality. So if I want to give a case equality, then I can give the input like this. So it has to be triple equal to. Okay, so if A is this value and B is this value, and if A is equal to B, it is triple equal to A. So my output is 0, right? So the output is equal to 0, else the output is 1. Since both values are equal, output is 0, and here the X represent the unknown, and the answer is out is equal to 0. So another one terminology is that is set. So it represents the high impedance state. Okay. So here and all you have to use the case equality and inequality. And the last operator is reduction operator. So what it will do, and A, not of A, then you have XOR of A, right? Not of X, nor of, it is X nor of A, NAND of A, not OR of A. So here, so not of A will not be available. So if Y is equal to and A, so what it represents, if A is equal to 4 with binary number 1010, so here if you perform the AND operation during the individual bits, so if any input is 0, the output will be 0, right? So it will reduces a multiple bit into a single bit, right? Since A is 4-bit initially, the Y bit becomes a bit. So here you don't have not of A. Okay. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. So if you want to subscribe, you can press the bell icon, and you can share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.